The 123 turbines have now been installed, which is a very good target by the project and all the teams involved. From the Port of Brisbane is where all the deliveries came in. We've had 1,321 deliveries. That's trailers that have come from Brisbane, Port of Brisbane. For that, the area and the kilometres that they've travelled is 3,650,521 kilometres. And that's including all the trucks, trailers, escorts, police and everything like that. It's 5 times from the Earth to the Moon return. From an AGL policy on all projects we have all throughout Australia, we try and use as much local labour and also personnel that we can. We've used something like about 15 different companies to 20 different companies. All the accommodation has been in Kingaroy and also in Dalby. All the local suppliers, as in crane suppliers, also the paint, consumables, safety equipment and everything like that has been got locally, which is very good for the project and very good for AGL. Within the 123 turbines that we have here on the project at Cooper's Gap, we have 91 3.6 megawatt and 32 3.8 megawatt. The blades on the 3.6 are 67.2 metres long, and on the 3.8 megawatt turbines, they're 62 metres long. The span of 2 blades from tip to tip is approximately about 152 metres. The speed of the tip's roughly around 269 kilometres an hour. We've got 107 commissioned at this present time, and we've just got a cap yesterday where we can now generate 293 megawatt out of the total of 453 megawatt. 453 megawatt will approximately power 269,000 homes. The Cooper's Gap Windfarm at this present time, now that we've erected the 123 turbines, is now the biggest in Australia at this present time.